Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this one, we are discussing question number 1C of MPS 006. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solutions within a day. If you need answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238. We provide all type of solutions related to any course or any subject, so you can contact us for any queries related to your homework. So here we are discussing question number C, which is the Lagrangian of a dynamical system is given us LQ q cap equal to q square upon 25 minus q square upon 16. Write the general solution for the Hamiltonian's equation and obtain the equation for the phase space curve for a set of initial conditions of qt0, q0, vt0 equal to p0. So if you need answer of this question, so contact us without any hesitation. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.